If you're not making money with Forex trading, it's because you're making one of these 3 mistakes. And after this video, you will know exactly what those mistakes are and how to fix them. In fact, let's take a look at Neville. A few months ago, I had a conversation with him via Zoom. He was making those 3 mistakes. I explained how to fix them, and now he is way ahead in his trading journey. Now, before I give you these 3 things, please subscribe so you don't miss anything, so you don't miss any of my future videos, and so you don't miss all of the free trading content I'm putting out there. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is stop loss placement, and you're probably doing it wrong. Let me explain. So most people place this stop loss based on how they feel, on how much money they want to lose, but not based on the market and where their idea is wrong. You want to place your stop loss in an area where your idea is wrong. So not based on money, not based on how much you want to lose, but actually where is your trading idea wrong. If you're buying a breakout, usually if price goes to the other side of the breakout area, for example a range, that's where your idea is wrong. That's where your stop should be. So it shouldn't be based on, okay, I want to lose 100 euros on this trade and I want to use a 0.5 lot size, so this is where my stop goes. Should be the other way around. This is where my idea is wrong. I'm putting my stop below there, and based on that, I'm calculating how much I should be risking. That's the proper way to place a stop loss. Now, when you're developing a strategy, you really want to figure out where your trade idea is wrong, and you want to experiment with multiple different ways of stop loss placement. So the next thing is not gathering any data, and that's a huge mistake. Here on the screen, you can see one of my backtesting projects of recent, where I basically gathered data of my strategy on 31 markets, including different ways of entering, different ways of placing stop losses, etc. And because of all this data, I know exactly the best way to trade my strategy. Now, I wasn't born with this knowledge. People ask me all the time, hey, where should I exit my trades? Where should my stop go? Why don't you just test your strategy, find new ideas, implement them, test them again to see what's the best thing to do? Now, yes, that takes time and it takes effort, but it will give you the answers. Now I know exactly where the best area for my stop loss placement is. I was already doing it, but now I can optimize it. And that's how you become a better trader, step by step, gathering data. What if I did this? What would have been the result over time? What if I placed my stop here? What would have been the result over time? And that's how you really build a professional trading strategy. So if there's one thing that you can do next week is really start gathering data about what you're doing to find out what works best, what doesn't, and what you can improve. Now, the third and final thing I wanted to discuss is most people learn from traders that are not profitable themselves. It's the same thing as hiring a fat personal trainer. It's ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense. If you want to learn how to trade, why do you buy a course from someone that has a Lambo supposedly from trading while he doesn't have a track record, while the only thing he does is show hindsight analysis and just talk a lot but never showing results? I don't get it. Like, if you follow those people and if you only learn from those people, you actually deserve to not make money, because you're just stupid in a sense. You're following people that don't even make money. Like, how on earth can you make money then? Doesn't make sense. So you want to follow people that actually make money with trading, and there are very few people out there that do. So you really have to dig to find the right resources. Now, when you're doing a Google search, Forex trading education, you will find a lot of information, but everything that pops up first, those are marketers, those are not traders. Those are people that are good at marketing. So you want to stay away from the general knowledge, the general people, the guys that are big on social media, huge following, pictures of Lamborghinis and all these things. Stay away from them. They are good at marketing, they're not good at trading. So really find reliable resources. Like, for example, for this week, write down all the people you're following for trading advice and think for yourself, like, is this a credible source or should I ditch it? For every single name you write down, And then after that, you have a list of people that you should actually be following. And maybe you find out that everyone you follow is just retarded and doesn't make money with trading. Then you stop watching all these things, research reliable sources, and go from there. And yes, again, it sounds boring. It sounds like, oh, should I really be doing this? But these are really things anyone should be doing. And when I have a Zoom call with someone and I ask, where did you learn to trade? They often give me a source from like someone with a great Instagram page, but zero trading results. And then I'm like, no wonder you're not profitable. You're following the wrong people. And so many people do this. So take some time this week to actually build a list of traders that you follow and ditch everyone that's not credible. So to give you a bonus, if you actually want to learn from a credible source the right way and for free, go to my website cdfxtrading.com. There you can find free courses, a free Zoom call with me, a free training as well. And then you can really learn the right way. I trade for a hedge fund. I've been trading for well over 6 years right now. I do have a track record as well. So I'm one of the few credible sources out there. So if you want to learn to trade for free, go to my website. The link is below the video. If you have questions, comment down below. Don't be scared. I'm here to answer. I'm here to help. I'm here to let you learn from a good source. So that's it for today, guys. A bit of a shorter video, but I hope to see you in the next one.